Hi, I'm Dr. Kieran, psychiatrist. One of the things that binds us all together are the challenges we go through. It doesn't matter where you live or what you do, we all struggle mentally from time to time. And if the last few years have been anything to go by, they've been particularly tough thanks to a global pandemic as well as fires, floods and droughts closer to home. So today I want to talk about little things we can do every day for our mental health that are backed by science to make a difference. Number one is moving our body even a little bit each day, however that feels best. It might be taking 20 steps today and then taking 21 tomorrow. Being out in nature is even better too, as it's a double dose for our mental well-being. You could also look into local events like yoga classes or a park run, because that gives us the added benefit of social connection too. Speaking of, social connection is the real VIP here when it comes to our mental health. Whether it's text, FaceTime, calling or in person, social connection is key, but make sure it's not just scrolling on Instagram. Diet comes next. When we're feeling flat, it's really easy to reach for comfort foods to try and pep ourselves up. And they might for a few minutes, but afterwards we usually don't feel all that great about it. I'm all for taking the pressure off ourselves, but my advice here would be to find ways to make those meals a little bit better for you. The quickest and easiest way to do that? Bump up the veggie intake in each meal. Make veggies the star of the show and get all the colours of the rainbow in there. Greens are the bee's knees though when it comes to our physical and our mental health. Sleep is our next big hitter. A little more if you can, but better quality counts too. Have a think about what you might be able to tweak to get a better night's shut-eye. It could be going to bed even 15 minutes earlier, switching off screens after dinner, or making your room a little bit darker and a little bit cooler. Mindfulness is really like giving our brain some breathing space and taking a big exhale mentally for our thoughts. Even just being present as we go about our day-to-days, like washing the dishes or hanging out the washing, actually counts too. So you don't have to be sitting there for hours chanting to reap the benefits of mindfulness. Change really comes overnight. It's a little at a time, done daily. Steps are sometimes big ones, but at other times they're tiny, and that's more than okay. So start small, then rinse and repeat each day until our good habits really become a habit.